Picture this: you are enjoying your morning coffee in New York or navigating a busy day in New Jersey. Thousands of miles away in Kenya, your tenant has just paid rent. You didn't need to make a single call and no frantic M-Pesa confirmation checks. In fact, you might not have even remembered it was the 5th, because everything is running seamlessly right from the convenience of your laptop or phone. This is not wishful thinking. This is the reality with Nailah Property Management System. We understand that for many of our diaspora clients, managing property from afar can be well exhausting. You are tired of relying on relatives for updates, constantly chasing rent payments, and dealing with unexpected repair bills. You are left wondering if your investment in Kenya is truly working for you, or if it is simply becoming a source of stress and draining your valuable time and energy. But imagine a different scenario, a turning point where managing your Kenyan property becomes simple and stress-free. Let's walk through a typical situation. Your tenant makes a rent payment via M-Pesa. Instantly, you receive a notification on your device. Nailah automatically logs this payment, accurately updates the tenant's outstanding balance, and even sends a professional digital receipt, all without any manual input from your end. No more calls, no more screenshot sharing, and no more complicated spreadsheets. Curious about your property's performance this month? Simply click on Reports for a clear financial overview. Need to identify tenants with outstanding rent? A quick click on Tenants provides you with that information instantly. And if you need to send a polite payment reminder, Nailah can handle that communication for you as well. Think back to those late night messages from caretakers detailing urgent issues, or perhaps those trips back to Kenya where you discovered unresolved maintenance problems, unpaid utility bills, or a general lack of clarity of what was happening with your investment. With Nailah, those uncertainties become a thing of the past. Everything is designed for complete transparency, from meticulously tracking all expenses and efficiently scheduling property maintenance to securely uploading and managing lease agreements. It is all accessible in one intuitive and beautifully designed dashboard created specifically for you, diaspora investor. We have heard from many of our clients in the diaspora who share their experiences like this. I finally have peace of mind knowing exactly what is happening with my property and that it is truly generating income for me. Another one, I was surprised at how incredibly easy Nailah has made property management. It is a game changer. And speaking of maximizing your investment and achieving complete peace of mind, imagine owning this stunning, luxurious 3-bedroom mansionette plus a staff's quarter, all with ensuite bathrooms, complemented by a beautiful private terrace and garden located in the desirable Kibiko area of Ngong. This is a dream home, perfect for your family or as a high-end rental investment. And the best part, Nailah will manage it effortlessly for you, even while you are thousands of kilometers away, ensuring your investment thrives. So, let me ask you this. Why continue to settle for the stress and uncertainty of manual property management when you can embrace structure, clarity, and control with Nailah? Why rely on guesswork when you can access real-time updates and comprehensive reports at your fingertips? Contact us to schedule your free personalized demo of the Nailah Property Management System. Or, if you are interested in viewing this incredible mansionette in Kibiko, please reach out to us directly. Let us help you manage your property like a true professional, no matter where you are in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and property management solutions. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And please drop comment below if you have ever experienced the challenges of managing property from abroad. We would love to hear your stories and connect with you in the comments. Veewave Enterprises, making property management simple, smart, and stress-free for diaspora investors.